Realtree Camo brings a bold twist to one of Nike's thickest and most talked about running silhouettes. Known for its massive 55mm ZoomX sole, the Vomero Premium enters a new design arena as Nike experiments with patterned overlays and fresh aesthetics. This upcoming colorway keeps the upper stealthy and full black, but the highlight comes from the official Realtree Camo print wrapped across the chunky ZoomX foam midsole. With blacked-out visible Zoom Air units, the shoe maintains a rugged outdoor vibe while still leaning toward lifestyle wear rather than trail running performance. Nike continues to expand the Vomero Premium's identity, moving beyond neon and standard color blocking into more creative and visually striking concepts. Sneaker fans are already wondering what other patterns or graphic treatments might drop next. Expect the Nike Vomero Premium Realtree Camo to release on Nike.com during holiday 2025 or early spring 2026 with a retail price of $220. Perfect for collectors and camo lovers alike.